England, about 160 million years ago. This chain of islands features dense forests and a jungle environment with elevated sea levels and shallow waters enveloping much of the terrain. Although regions such as Scotland, France, and Spain remained above the water, they were predominantly flat and arid, characterized by sparse plant life. Metriacanthosaurus, a carnivorous metriacanthosaurid. Metriacanthosaurus was a medium-sized theropod, characterized by a femur measuring 31 inches long. In 1988, its weight was estimated to be around 1.1 short tons. Another paleontologist reported its length as 26.2 feet. The name Metriacanthosaurus refers to the height of its neural spines, which, interestingly, are not particularly tall compared to other theropods. These spines are comparable to those of other theropods like Megalosaurus and Ceratosaurus, being 1.5 times the height of the centrum. Metriacanthosaurus is the sole identified representative of Metriacanthosauridae outside Asia. The earliest evidence of Metriacanthosaurids in Asia dates back to the early Middle Jurassic, with Metriacanthosaurus being classified among the variety of Asian Metriacanthosaurids. Therefore, it is likely that Metriacanthosaurus signifies a migration event from Asia to Europe during the early late Jurassic. This dinosaur seems to have coexisted with other sizable theropods from the Megalosauridae family. Among the dinosaurs discovered in the Oxford clay is the megalosaurid theropod Eustreptospondylus, while the lesser-known ankylosal Cryptosaurus has also been identified in Oxfordian sediments in Britain. At that time, Europe was an archipelago of islands encircled by shallow seas, which accounts for the discovery of these dinosaurs in marine sediment. Fossils of Metriacanthosaurus have been discovered in England, particularly in Dorset. The name Metriacanthosaurus means moderately spined lizard. This designation highlights the elevation of the dinosaur's back vertebrae, which were taller than those of certain theropods such as Megalosaurus, yet shorter than those of others like Acrocanthosaurus.